Alright YouTube, today's it. Track day Frankie, how you feeling?
Oh, okay this time.
Very good, not too nervous. At least you've come dressed for the occasion today.
That's right, I put my tie on later.
That's right. Well, this is sponsored by Penrite today. Hopefully we don't need too much of this coolant. But let's keep going, show you where we're going to go. Up the road to Goulburn. Let's get there.
She's a duck's guts.
Alright, so we're here. Snotbox made it, we have to drive it actually. Transponder's in, and some pretty capable cars up here with a bunch of XLs and Tommy Mackin and Evos, and it looks like a Mandalorian's on its way here. Protector of the Galaxy, so that's all good. We're going to get our race suits on, do the bright drive briefing.
We're just doing our preparation, or our snotbox. So we've done the tyre pressures, set them at 36 cold, so see how that goes when she comes back in the pits. You'll notice, of course, the very firm attachment of the front bar. We've put some extra little plastic clips in there, so there's no way that's moving. So I think we're set to go.
Alright, so we have to drive the car here, so we're just letting it breathe a bit, bonnet up. First group's going out.
This orange group, your session has started.
That's orange group. We're yellow. We've got to get there and have a look. Maybe Rachel's Audi will sound like this.
Attention in the pit. Attention in the pit.
So you got your pre-race drink there, do you, Frankie?
Mother's milk.
Oh, Jesus. Right, well, anything to get ready for the race?
Alright, headscarf, gloves, Frankie, co-pilot. We're about to go into our first shakedown run. You little bastard. Alright, we're off. Shakedown run of the snotbox. Let's hope nothing falls off or breaks. Alright, just done the first shakedown lap. Go Frankie! It's going pretty good. Not the best brakes in the world, but we haven't crashed it yet and didn't get hot, so let's go see how Frankie goes. Frankie versus track school! Go Frankie! Well, Frankie's done it. The car hasn't blown up yet, and we're about to find out how the brakes have gone. Here he is. Go, Frankie! All right, something's shaking, and it's not a ghost. and it's not a Mandalorian, but there is some Martian juice coming out of our power steering, so that's okay. We're going to clean that up. But look, this car has probably never been driven like that before. What do you reckon, Frankie?
Oh, geez, it's copped a hiding today, hasn't it?
But that's only a first session, and we're going to drive this home, Frankie. So come on.
Recheck these tyre pressures. They're going up a little bit, of course, because the tyres are hot. They felt a bit shady, so a little bit of air out of them. See how Daniel goes in his next session with 40 hot.
All right, just going to put a bit more of Penrite in here, Frankie. Bubbling away, isn't it? Yep. All right, so we're back. Let this car cool down. So we just checked our lap times, and in the 86 over the whole day we did at 117 was our best, and we've just found out that at the last session we did 118. So we're first session, shakedown, bet everything in. Pretty happy with it. So see if I can better it on this go. brakes, have to slow down. Whew, fuck yeah, that was awesome. Not quite out in centre, but close. Woo! Well, back from session 2, pushed it a bit more that time and gave it as much as the poor old snotbox has got and started doing a few four-wheel drifts, so I had the GoPro on the helmet the whole time, so that's going to be entertaining, Frankie, watching that. But let's check out Potterkins. He's still rattling and rolling. We've lost a bit more power steering, but it's not, it hasn't ruptured or anything, has it?
No. No, it's not hemorrhaging anything. No.
Well, bloody hot, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's a warm day.
Warm day.
Loving it.
Having a good time, aren't we, big fella?
Measure.
Woohoo! 7. Oh, Frankie, that's a luck of the day, luck of the gods.
Oh, it was a bit untidy, but you know, had a good fun little battle with another Falcon.
Yeah.
And
Production series?
yeah, it was 6-cylinder. He was holding me up a bit, but I thought I could learn from his lines that, but slow was a wet week. No, that was great. I can't believe how well it did, and everyone should take their Commodore on for a track day. Give it a go.
We're going to have to try and drive this one home, so we're going to let it cool down, check our air pressures and stuff, but we're going to call it a day at Clean the Garage. We're having an awesome time, so we'll do a wrap-up video when we get home, and hopefully I don't see you on the side of the road, Frankie, on the way home.